Welcome to Rain Nail Studio. Today we are doing a sculpted set on these beautiful spring nails. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up my nail plate starting at the cuticle. I'm going in with this cuticle bit from acrylicbrush.com, and then I'm going to go ahead in with a ball bit to remove any excess dead cuticles before using my cuticle nippers. After dusting off the nails, I make sure to go in with Young Nail Swipe just to remove any excess dust or debris that was left behind. And then I'm going in with Mia's Secret nail forms. These are the extra long ones. I'm just making sure everything is straight and even, making sure not to overthink, just placing it right on the finger. And then I'm using the little round sticker to close it up at the top to avoid it from moving, separating, or coming off. To build the free edge, I'm going in with Young Nail's Liquid Monomer and Clear French Pink from Mia's Secret. My technique is to always build the free edge first, then remove the nail forms, just to get rid of all the bulk from the nail form itself and be able to move the way I need to. Once the acrylic is completely dry, I remove the nail forms and sharpen up all of the edges so that I can start getting into the design. For today's look, I was going for the acrylic French marble, but it wasn't really turning out the way I envisioned. It started to become very thick at the arch portion of the acrylic, and I was not liking that, so I just stopped what I was doing. And then of course for my ring finger, I did want that ombre, so that's what I'm doing here. For marbling, I'm using Banana from Mia Secret, Cord XXX White from Young Nails, and then I added just a tad bit of Orange Blossom from Mia Secret's Pastel collection, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a very light layer of Dirty Sprite. Once all the acrylic is laid and dried, I go in and sharpen up the edges before I get into my finished filing. My file of choice is always the 4 Pro Zebra files. This is the 100/180 grit. On my own nails, I always go in with the fine e-file bit, and this is just to even everything out and get some of the bulk down, because when I do my own nails, I tend to do them a little thick, and I don't like that. So that's what I'm using to thin them out just a little bit. And then to smooth everything over so that they can be buffed and cleaned, I go in with my sanding band. This has worked wonders for me. It cuts all of my time in half and it gets everything nice and smooth. For nail piercings, I use this tapered cuticle bit from Pana. It is very sharp at the end, and I always make sure to only use the tip of this e-file bit. If I go too far, it will get stuck and stop my drill. So I really have to take my time with this and make sure that it does not get stuck. Today's nail accessories, I'm using 2 jump rings and then 1 butterfly charm. Just one tip when you're looking for nail accessories like this is to always type in charms. Don't type in nail charms because it's gonna really minimize the amount of items that they have listed. Just type in charms and you'll have a plethora of options. And I'm pretty sure there's an easier or better way to do this, but this is the way that I've learned. So I'm just trying to insert the jump rings here, and of course I dropped my little butterfly and it takes me some time to pick her back up, but we got through it and they came out really cute. Today's top coat is Madam Glam Gel Top Coat. It is a cleanse top coat, so make sure you guys are always keeping an eye out for that, whether it's cleanse or non-cleanse. But this is it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and also follow me on Instagram at BeccaB_. Thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.